Hello, my good friends. It's 8 minutes till the close, and I thought I would do a little freestyle here and show you how Trade Ideas helps you to create strategies with our unique blend of backtesting that, again, you only find at Trade Ideas. Let me explain the difference. We don't look at a stock like CCVI. Let me double click on that and say, okay, well, let's take 27 years of CCVI and see how the heck we would have traded that. No offense, but that's pointless. What we do is we take an event, like in this case, these are stocks that are moving up at least 2 or more standard deviations. Both of these are moving up 3, okay, and new stocks will appear. And what I can say is I can say, okay, so this stuff is happening, these big upward moves. How do I know if this is a trade signal or not, okay? So here's another one that just came in for SCNEY, and they're all going to be large relative volume, stuff like that, you know, because again, this is a big statistical outlier. So let's see what we're going to do about it. I right click and I say backtest strategy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring our backtester in here. I'm starting half hour after the open and finishing. I'm not taking any more new trades during power hour. And then I look for exits. In other words, how am I going to hold this? And if you want to see if there's any statistical validation, the key is to kind of hold it for at least some sort of time. So here we're going to say, how about 12:50 is our exit time? So kind of like the end of the day. We're just testing and seeing what's up. Okay. And we're going to say simulate buy. And I'm going to move this window so you can kind of see it a little bit more. And look at what it's doing. So the software is running through 600, 800 trade simulations. Do you see the advantage here, the statistical data advantage? And it's showing you some results. So in this particular case, if I had bought this when I saw that move, it's only profitable 45% of the time. Okay, so it's kind of like coin flip. Not really doing that well, and the winners are bigger than the losers. But the beauty here is that with Trade Ideas, well, you can instantly try something else. So let me show you. So I'm going to run again, and here I'm going to simulate the sell. Let's see what happens. Okay, 53% profitable. It's the inverse, and you can see what's going on. And really, the software allows you to drill down into all of these things. What would you have looked like on a calendar if you had traded this? And you could have every single trade. This is analytics you just can't get anywhere other than Trade Ideas. And you guys should all be using this because for people that are competing against these hedge funds, this is the best data you can possibly have. Please visit us at www.trade-ideas.com and check it out for yourselves. Bye.